Mr. Muhammad Ammar, son of Ubaidur Rahman, Government Liaquat Memorial Technical High School, Shekhupura.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is most bountiful and merciful. Honorable guests and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will share and express my feelings and thoughts about our Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mr. President, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and died in month of Rabiul Awwal. He is an embodiment of mercy for all the mankind. All the prophets guided humans, but Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought a revolution in the lives of the people. This revolution is exemplary in the history of mankind. Mr. President, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent as the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His Sharia was recorded as the last judge of Allah, and the previous Sharia were abolished. His guidance was declared sufficient for all till the end of this world. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If Hazrat Musa alayhi salam had been alive, he had no option but to follow me." The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers, and preachers, but none was as great as Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mr. President, the life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for us who believes in Allah and the day of the judgment. This source of light and guidance can lead us completely. Mr. President, at the heart of human being, circle of love lies with love of Allah. It makes one grow in a mature, dignified, proud, and complete human being. Every kind of beauty stems from it. Next to Allah comes the love of His messenger. In truth, the path to the love of Allah is born with the love of His messenger. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself relates in one of his saying interrelated with faith. By Him in whose hand my life is, none of you will have faith till he loves me more than his mother, his father, his children, and all other people. These blessed words uttered by one who tells never, but the truth signifies something very deep. I will conclude my speech with these words. When truth was lost and heart frozen, from you Allah came a prophet chosen. Blessed Prophet Muhammad, obedient to you, taught us the things we ought to do. I love you, my prophet, and sing your praise, and follow your sunnah prophetic way. One day I will come to visit your tomb. Inshallah, that